In this video, I'm going to show you how to fade an image in Figma without any plugins. Let's launch the Figma app. In the top menu, click on Design. In the bottom menu, click on the Shape tool. In the pop-up menu, click on the Image option. Select your image and click on Open. Place the image on the canvas. You can fade an image in two ways. One is to completely fade the image, or you can fade one side of the image. To completely fade the image, in the right side menu, reduce the image opacity. Let's reduce it to 50%, for example. Here you can see that our image has been faded. To fade one side of the image, you need to add a shape over the image. In the bottom menu, click on Shape Tools and select a rectangle shape. Place the shape over the image. Right-click on the shape. In the pop-up, click on Send to Back. While selecting the shape, go to the Fill menu. In the Fill menu, select the Gradient Fill. Let's move the image for better viewing. Now you need to decide which side you want to fade. There are 2 points on the gradient line. One is the darker part, where your image will stay solid, and the other is the lighter part, where your image will be faded. I want to fade the image on the left side, so I will drag the darker point to the right and the lighter point to the left. Now decrease the lighter point opacity to 0. Now select both the image and the shape together. Right-click on this selected part. In the pop-up menu, click on Use as Mask. Here you can see that our image has faded on the left side. If you want to adjust the gradient points, click on the Fill tab again. Now you can adjust the gradient points as well. Following these steps, you can fade an image in Figma easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.